Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so I am now on the MQL5 marketplace page for the Apocalypse Gold EA. First thing I notice is the pricing. It's listed at 499 US dollars with a 1 month rental option around 99 US dollars. The EA is developed by Xianqing Seng and the current version is 6.6, updated on November 20th, 2025 with a limited number of activations available. From what is shown here, this EA is designed specifically for gold trading, mainly focused on XAUUSD. It also mentions broader compatibility with other gold-related symbols, but the core use case here is clearly gold trading on MT5. Now, moving a bit further down, the developer explains that the EA is built around trading XAUUSD with a structured approach. It highlights that trades are managed with a single position at a time, each trade having both a stop loss and take profit, which keeps the execution fairly straightforward from a management perspective. I also see that the EA is designed without martingale or grid style trading, which is something the developer emphasizes. That means the logic is centered more around controlled entries rather than scaling or averaging down positions. Looking at the general setup guidance, it mentions that it works on the M5 time frame, all right, and recommends a minimum deposit of $50. There's also a note about broker selection and spread conditions, suggesting it can run even without ultra tight spreads, although better conditions are preferred. Now, moving into the feature explanation, one of the key points here is that the EA focuses on dynamic stop loss and take profit levels. So instead of fixed static values, it adjusts risk and reward parameters depending on conditions, which is meant to help with flexibility in different market environments. It also mentions that only one trade is active at a time, which simplifies exposure. So, from a risk perspective, it is not stacking multiple positions or compounding trades, it is just managing single trade execution with structured and exits. All right. Now, I'm going to switch over and look at the backtesting section to see how it behaves historically. From the information provided, testing is referenced over a long historical range, and the EA is designed to operate on M5 data. So in backtesting, I'm focusing on how consistently it handles different market phases rather than just short-term movements. All right, so let's just see how the Apocalypse Gold EA performed on XAUUSD on the M5 time frame over the past 5 months and 1 week. You can see from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 to 6th June 2026. For the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, we're using the every tick modeling. All right. So now from the backtest results, we can see that the EA made a total net profit of $2,715 from an initial deposit of $100,000, and the total trades taken were just 5. Short trades were 3 with 66.67% win rate. The long trades were 2 with 50% win rate. The largest profit was $1,608. The largest loss was $906. The average profit was $1,218, $1,218, and the average loss was $469.5. Now the risk to reward ratio here is okay. You can see the difference between the profit and the loss, is positively substantial, and the win rate is not exactly impressive, but at least it's okay. So I'm not surprised when you put side by side the risk to reward ratio and the win rate. At least it's not surprising to have, a total net profit of about 2.7% though, but it's positive. All right. So as I scroll through the chart, what I'm looking for is how the EA reacts during trending versus ranging conditions and what are the entries appear consistent with the logic described in the overview, especially around controlled risk per trade and fixed trade structure. The key thing here is that historical trade appears to follow a defined stop loss and take profit structure, meaning the system is not improvising exits randomly, but working within a predefined framework. Now, in terms of strategy behavior, from what I can observe, the system seems to alternate between entries depending on market momentum conditions on gold. All right, just a few trades we are taking over the past, about 5 months plus during the period of our back testing. So, the EA is not the type to stack a lot of trades, accumulate a lot of trades within a short period of time. Okay. So meanwhile, from the information that we have access to on the marketplace page, the EA doesn't look like it is over trading heavily. And even from what we can see here, you can see it is definitely not over trading at all, which aligns with the one trade at a time concept mentioned earlier. Now, there are also periods where the market structure clearly impacts performance. Some phases are smoother, while others show more fluctuation, which is expected in gold due to volatility changes. But coming to the overall historical testing performance, this EA shows structured behavior with controlled exposure. However, like any system, results are still highly dependent on execution conditions such as spread, broker quality, and parameter optimization. Now, I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, especially across different gold market conditions. So you can get a more complete understanding of how it behaves in both trending and sideways environments before considering any live deployment. Now, just very briefly, let me just turn on the visual mode so that we can also see the EA in action, just for a moment. All right, so the scalping EA on the M5 time frame, we already know that it is not over trading, so it takes its time to look for opportunities in the market. All right, and based on the results that we saw from 5 trades, at least it was able to generate about 2.7% of the account balance. Now, to wrap things up, Apocalypse Gold EA is clearly positioned as a structured single trade gold system with defined risk management and simplified execution logic. The key takeaway here is consistency in structure rather than complexity in trade stacking. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.